Welcome to VEO3 Baddies Academy, your go-to channel for AI, digital glow-ups, and turning content into coins. My name is Goldie, and today, I'm showing you exactly how to create your first VEO3 video. I get this question all the time. What do I use? How do I do it? Well, baby, I got you. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up ChatGPT and ask it to help you write a detailed VEO3 video prompt. Now listen, don't skip this step, because how good your video turns out depends on the prompt you use. Since we're doing ASMR, be clear with ChatGPT. Tell it you want a voiceover prompt, just like the one I'm using here, something that sounds soft, soothing, and detailed. You can describe the character, from her skin tone, hairstyle, and outfit, to her mood and environment. Like maybe she's whispering in a dreamy room with pink LED lights. You can also add what kind of ASMR sounds you want, like crunching, tapping, or soft whispers. Here's why ChatGPT is your best friend in this process. It saves you time. No need to sit there stuck thinking about what to write. It helps you sound professional, even if you're just starting out. And it gives your video structure, so the AI understands exactly what you want, from visuals to voice tone. ChatGPT can help you shape that whole experience. I'll leave the exact prompt I used in the description box so you can copy it and try it for yourself. Also, don't forget to join our Facebook group, VEO3 Girlies Society. It's the perfect place to ask questions, get inspired, and connect with other creators using VEO3 and AI tools. Once your prompt is ready, head over to Google Flow. Click New Project, and boom, it'll take you to a screen where the magic starts. Before pasting your prompt in the chat section, make sure to go into Settings. Here, you'll select which VEO version you want to use. You'll see options like VEO2 and VEO3. Choose VEO3. That's the one that gives you voice audio, okay? Then select how many video variations you want. You can generate 2 to 4 videos at a time. Just keep in mind, each one costs 100 credits, so use them wisely. Paste your prompt in the chat and hit generate. Now wait, it usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes, so be patient while the AI does its thing. When the videos are done, you'll be able to preview and pick your favorite.
This mango is so sweet. This mango is sweet.
And that's it, baddies. Simple, fast, and powerful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay tapped in. Follow our Facebook page for updates and announcements. Our new courses are dropping soon, and you do not want to miss out. I'll see you in the next video.